Creating a composite like this in Adobe Photoshop Beta is significantly faster thanks to the contextual taskbar. To get that shrunk-down look under the flowers, follow these steps. Isolate the subjects. You need to separate the couple from their original photo so you can place them into the macro flower scene. On the contextual taskbar, the floating bar near your selection, click Remove Background. Photoshop will automatically create a layer mask. Tip: if the edges aren't perfect, click Select and Mask in the Properties panel to brush over hair or tricky areas. Right-click the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. This keeps your transformations non-destructive so the image doesn't lose quality when you scale it down. Open the background image, the flower/field. Drag and drop the couple into the flower image. Press Ctrl+T, Window, or CMD+T, Mac, to transform. Hold Shift, if needed, and drag the corners to shrink the couple down until they look like they are sitting under the flower stem. Press Enter. Harmonize the lighting and colors. This is the magic step that makes the two photos look like they belong together. Click on the couple layer to make it active. Select Harmonize. Wait for generations. Photoshop will analyze the background colors and generate 3 distinct variations. Once the process finishes, the taskbar will transform to show your results. Click through these to see different takes on the lighting. Option 1, usually a standard color match. Option 2, often pushes more for ambient lighting, matching the soft glow of the background. Option 3, may focus more on luminance, matching the brightness/shadow intensity. Refining. If none of the 3 are perfect, you can click Harmonize again to generate a fresh set of 3 variations. If you use a layer mask, you won't have to worry about making mistakes. You can just paint with black or white to hide or reveal parts of the image until it looks perfect. That's a wrap. You've now got the workflow to shrink subjects into a macro world using the latest AI tools in Photoshop Beta. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.